Hey guys, Geeking to everyone. On this tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how you can use ChatGPT based on the real examples. So on this video, I'm gonna show you how you can communicate with chatbot, how you can ask questions, how you can get reply from ChatGPT bot, and how you can use chats. What are the chats on ChatGPT? How you can configure ChatGPT. So if you are excited and interested how you can do that, you can watch everything on this video. So I already have an OpenAI account for ChatGPT. If you have no account for ChatGPT, I recommend you to watch another video on my YouTube channel, how to create an OpenAI account for ChatGPT. I hope you did registration successfully and you logged into ChatGPT. So what we see on this page. So there is a field where you can type something to communicate with chatbot. For example, let's type hello chatbot. Okay, then you can press enter. Okay. Here we go. There is a reply from chatbot. Hello, how can I assist you today? So chatbot replied so fast. So what you also can see on this page. So on the left part of this page, you see this button with the plus sign and new chat expression. And there is a first chat created when we type hello chatbot to chatbot. And if you want to create another chat, you have to press on this button plus new chat. Okay. And let's type hello chatbot. This is a new chat. Okay. Press enter. Okay. You see on the left the new chat created. And chatbot replies, hello, I'm glad to hear that this is a new chat, how I can assist you today. Why we need different chats? Actually, the chatbot can understand a context of each chat. For example, I show you. Okay, let's ask from chatbot, tell me about 5 biggest cities in the world. Okay, there is a reply. Chatbot send us information on this chat about 5 biggest cities in the world by population. There is Tokyo, Delhi, Shanghai, Sao Paulo, Mumbai. Okay, so and if I ask another question, what about other cities? So how you can reply to this question? Of course, if you don't know a context of conversation, this question looks little weird, right? But if I ask this question for chatbot, so let's do that. Okay, chatbot replied. So as you can see, the reply is based on the context of our conversation. So the reply is, there are many other cities around the world with their large population. Here are some more examples. Chatbot understands the context of conversations. So it is the reason why it's so comfortable to use different independent chats, with the different specific themes on these chats. So, and you categorize chats into specific themes, specific conversation. That's really comfortable. But it's not necessary, of course, to categorize chats for specific conversations, specific themes. It's up to you. You can create as many chats as you want, and also you can delete these chats. So you already know how you can create a new chat, but how you can delete a chat. Okay, on this chart, you can see a bin sign, And on the left of this sign, you can see this sign looks like pen. Okay, if you press on this sign, you can rename the chat. For example, cities with large population. Okay, so and you can rename the chat how you want. so it's really comfortable as well. And if you want to delete chat, you have to press on this sign, this bin sign, okay, and then you have to commit, then you want to delete, okay, press on this button. Okay, here we go. Okay, now you know how chat works. So let's move ahead. Okay, let's create some new chats. Okay, first chat, hello bot. Okay, and then we call it hello bot. It's the first chat, and then next chat, hello bot. This is second chat. Okay. Okay, I rename it second chat. Okay, so on the bottom of left part of this page, you see several buttons. So first button is the clear conversation. If you press on this button, okay, and then you press one more time to confirm clear conversation, what happened? Let's do that. Okay, you see all conversation cleared, so all chats were deleted by that. So be really careful with this button because you can clear all your conversations, so be careful. What you can do also is to upgrade to the advanced version, upgrade to Plus. It's like you have to pay for this upgrade, of course. We're not gonna do this today, but you can do this by your own. It's advanced version of ChatGPT. Also, you see there is a settings button. If you on the settings button, you can see a theme. You can change it. It's a dark theme, which is really nice. You know, I usually use dark theme or light theme. It's like that. Or system one. I prefer dark theme. You know, looks really nice. Also, you can see a get help button. If you press on this button, you see a manual, a most often question about ChatGPT, so it's helpful and you can check it out, this page. And also you can log out from the ChatGPT. So here we go, let's create a new chat. Let's ask a ChatGPT to write a funny article. Write a funny article about animals, okay? So press enter. So here we go. ChatGPT created the funny article about animals that is really cool, you know. And what you can do here on the conversation. So first, this sign, you know, this button, you can press and you can copy this message. Then, for example, you can paste this message on the text editor. You know, that is really convenient. Also, you can like or dislike for the reply. And I think it's update algorithms of chatbot, and that's really cool and helpful as well. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe for supporting this channel. Thanks, ciao ciao.